Myntri Katnat Community and Rural Development eti Mondal Pynksan ba ka Jingslem ban Siew ka tulap ki job card holder na ba ka jela ka pelai ka pisa sisen ba la yo ka pisa na ka sarkar pedeng aba pentip ba ya ka pisa la pha be sha ki account jong ki job card holders ulong ba ka Jingpensa ban Siew ya ka pisa ka de ka bala pedeng ba chisin bala pang khoi lot an sala pan pendep ya ka kam
the wages component of MGNREGS is concerned, we are paying continuously whenever the government of India transfer the funds. So it has nothing to do with the state government. It is directly transferred to the individual accounts of the job card holders. But there may be some dues in some BECs, and these dues are because it is a continuous process. The moment work is done, it is uploaded in the software, and there is always some pending. The moment that pending bill is cleared, automatically some other bills get accumulated. So it is a continuous process. So also the material component is there. It is not that it is pending or stagnant. We are continuously paying. As soon as we get the central share released, we pay to the VACs. Again, here also by the meantime you pay some dues, some new dues get accumulated. So it is a continuous process.
So especially in plain belt areas, we frequently see complaints of nepotism, corruption by different BECs when it comes to this MGNREG and other things. So how do you deal with these instances and allegations of corruption there, especially in that part?
No, that though we have told videos to look into all the aspect as per constitution of BECs are concerned, and I think they are taking care of it.
So in the absence of funds from the sender, has it affected the functioning of?
Naturally, see, as I told you earlier, that wages component are directly released by Government of India to the accounts of the job card holders. So if they don't release, so our job card holders are not getting the wages. But as I told you earlier, that it is a continuous process. It is not that it is pending for years together.
Regarding an allegation, question on misutilization or underutilization.
Yeah, wherever it is like that or allegation is there, inquiry is instituted.